Welcome, you wonderful car count hackers. Obviously, you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits so that you can provide the lifestyle for you and your family that you know you deserve. Isn't that right? I just threw you an emotional hook. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use an emotional hook to sell more service in your repair shop and do it without being a pushy salesman. Buckle up, because we're starting right now. I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. If it's your first time here, you're a repair shop owner, you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way, you'll be notified first every time I upload new tips, tricks, and hacks on how you can grow your income and profit. Wouldn't you agree to me that when you're talking to your customer, it's not necessarily what you say, it's how you say it? Aren't I right? Good. So let me give you an example of things that probably happen every day in your shop. You do a workup on a customer's car, you do all the details of the quote, and you present the quote, and then the customer stumbles on giving you the approval. You know, do I need to spend that much? Do I need to do all of this? And they might even be thinking, like, do I have the money to do this? And, you know, can we wait to do some of this? That's when you need to stop and throw them an emotional hook. Why do you want to do that? Because people buy on emotion and they justify it with reason or logic later. Look, you probably did the same thing. You went out and bought that brand new fancy red Corvette because you wanted it. And you justified it by saying, well, what the heck, I needed a new car anyways. Aren't I right? So then once you've presented the quote to Mrs. Jones for that phenomenal brake repair that you're going to do, and she's wondering whether she needs to do it all, and there's questions about, you know, is this the best price? Is this, you know, do I have to do it all now? Can any of this wait? Stop and use the emotional hook. Obviously, Mrs. Jones, you wanted the best value, but you're concerned about the safety of yourself and your family. Isn't that right? Bam! That's the emotional hook. Understand there's a couple of hacks about this that you have to understand. First of all, when you do that, you shut up and don't say anything else. You've now given Mrs. Jones an emotional reason why she needs to do her brake service. Secondly, with a statement like that, nobody's going to turn around and say, oh yeah, I don't care about the safety of me and my family. No one wants to be felt that they're made to be an idiot. And then, when you start your sentence with a word like obviously, you're getting around all the issues of do I need all this, and is that the best price you can do, and can we wait for some of this later, and stuff like that. You are nailing it with an emotional hook. The only thing now that you have to do is go ahead and try this, but before you do that, just stop. I want you to say this out loud to yourself, or in front of a mirror, however you want to do it, but say it out loud several times before you use it, because this isn't intended to be a question. You're not saying, you know, your safety and the safety of your family is important to you, isn't it? That's not the right way to say it. You want to say it in a way that you're telling Mrs. Jones, but the safety of you and your family is important, isn't it? It's a statement. It's not a question. So right now, all you have to do is, in the comments below, let's get to know each other and tell me how you can use this to help sell more service in your repair shop. And after that, the only other thing you have to do now is smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way, every time I upload new tips, tricks, and weird hacks, you'll be the first to be notified. I'm Matthew Lee. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk soon.